we need to know about Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanon's relationship. What we need to know about Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanon's relationship. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So second chakra, if you know, is all a sacral chakra hota hai, okay? That is sacral chakra is all about emotions. It's not about emotions, it's about more about feeling the, you know, the passion and that physicality and that sexual energy. So definitely there was a lot of you know, passion flying in the air, lot of attraction, lot of physical attraction, lot of sexual attraction, lot of passion. यहाँ पे भी आप देख रहे हो कि you know, like, so this is what it is. Sacral chakra, solar sacral chakra is your, so yeah, that is, this part is playing a main role here. What more we need to know about Sushant and Kriti's relationship? A lot of sexual energy, a lot of physical attraction, anxiety. So there is an anxiety in this relationship and there is indecisiveness. तो आप देख रहे हो कि कैसे ये relationship में एक grounding missing है, और there is a lot of physical attraction, there is a lot of material attraction, there is a lot of एक ग्राउंडिंग का मिसिंग है, एक लव एंड कंपैशन, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग थोड़ा मिसिंग आ रहा है. बट इट इज़ मोर लाइक, यू नो, व्हेन यू गेट कैरिड अवे एंड यू लव द फाइन थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, और you just want something, when you start loving something on the face of it. Now I'm not saying that anybody is bad here, it is just that, you know, when you get grounding in a relationship में and you are missing the finer things, you are missing the real things, okay? तो एक I don't think कि वो कभी sure थे इस relationship के लिए. There was a lot of indecisiveness था, decision नहीं था, उनको पता नहीं था कि it is more like पेपर में तो ऐसा सुना था कि दिस इज़ मोर लाइक अ PR स्टंट और whatever, but we are not considering all those things here. We are going by what angels are telling us. तो एक indecisiveness था लेके उनके relationship को. They were not sure about each other or even about the relationship. They didn't had any idea how long it is. It's just like a very casual thing, ऐसा लग रहा है. It's very passionate, very sexual, very physical energy. A lot of anxiety also. So मुझे लगता है this anxiety is the same thing what I told you, scattered energy, anxiety. Okay, तो ये है. Let's see what our mermaids and dolphins have to say about Kriti and Sushant's relationship. Okay, I hope you're getting it. Healing heart, absolutely, this is what it is. I told you, right, कि after all this relationship में जो भी हुआ, he was looking out for a fresh heart. He wanted a shoulder to cry on. He was looking for some healing, right? He wanted to look, he was looking for a relationship जिसमें उनको कोई समझे, where he feels more attached, more connected, more grounded, more understood, and he was looking to heal his heart. Okay, healing heart. So exactly this is what he was looking for. I told you that this relationship created a very scattered, very nervous energy, जहाँ पे maybe उनका confidence थोड़ा हिल गया, and he got to know that it is time to move on. Okay, indecisiveness already था वहाँ पे. They were not sure about the relationship, they were not sure where is it coming from, where is it going, and finally it was time for them to move on. So both of them kind of moved on. Okay, they knew that they were from different worlds, and they were not probably, you know, made for each other at the moment, at least. So that is what it is. Let's pull one card from our animal oracle and see what guidance is coming from our spirit animals for Sushant and Kriti's relationship. What is that we need to know, dear angels? Please tell us. I thank you. We thank you here for your divine guidance and blessings coming for. All right. Learn from the past. Absolutely. So he, this relationship was something where he should, that will be, you know, a very important thing, especially because he was very proud of this relationship, and it came to a premature end where he felt that he was not being understood, or they were finding it difficult to adjust or go along well. So this was quite a learning experience for him, because it created a scattered nervous energy. Probably he was feeling that he is losing his ground, he is losing his confidence, and he considered this relationship to be quite a learning experience for him. क्योंकि quite possibly I think this relationship came in his life after Ankita's breakup with Ankita, and there was a lot of things to learn from his relationship. Okay, because maybe he learned that he should not get we should not get carried away in life. We should look deeper than the skin, and maybe he realized if he made some mistakes, right? So learning lessons, this relationship was a big learning lessons for him. Maybe he was comparing things and people. तो एक बहुत ही लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस ये रिलेशनशिप उनके लाइफ में था. वो ऐसा इसको कंसिडर करते थे कि बहुत ही एक लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके, सो वी विल पुल वन मोर कार्ड फ्रॉम हियर एंड सी guidance coming for Sushant and Kirti Sanan's relationship. What is that we need to know, dear angels? Let's see. Claim your independence. So definitely he wanted to move out from this relationship, claim his independence. उनको बहुत tied up लगता था. Maybe as I'm telling you, they felt that they are from two different worlds. Adjustment मुश्किल हो रहा था, and they both wanted to be free. Indecisive already थे. They were not sure whether they are fit for each other, or both of them, after some time, after some passions and fire flying in from solar plexus, sacral chakra, when the initial passion was over, that ignition was over, उनको लगा कि they want independence. They were kind of feeling tied into this relationship, ऐसा लग रहा था. Okay, चलिए ठीक है. एक और हमारा, we will pull one card from surrender deck, which is very important. हमें पता चलेगा कि what is that they needed to get themselves free from it. Dear angels, what we need to know about Kriti and Sushant's relationship, what we need to know about Kriti and Sushant's relationship, what we need to know about. Obsessive overthinking, surrender to your full power, surrender frustration. एब्सोल्युटली. तो इस रिलेशनशिप में वो बहुत ही स्ट्रेस्ड थे. ऐसा लगता है कि अब दोनों के लिए ऐसा हो सकता है. वी आर नॉट जस्ट कंसिडरिंग वन पर्सन हियर. तो बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड्स, सो दे वर लाइक indecisive थे. They didn't know where is this relationship started. Maybe this relationship started all of a sudden without any idea, and it was more of a fling or whatever. तो एक if you are obsessing about a person or a situation, turn the dilemma over spirit doing. So एक लगता था कि मुझे ऐसा feeling आ रहा है कि Sushant was really mad about Kriti. Because we have seen already that he once he treated her like he was very proud of her. He wanted to show that how his girlfriend is, how beautiful and what a damsel she is, and like इस तरह का एक feeling है जब when you get something so. तो यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही ओवर थिंकिंग भी है कि कोई किसी के बारे में बहुत ऑब्सेस्ड होके सोच रहा है. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग है. सरेंडर टू योर फुल पावर है, और सरेंडर फ्रस्ट्रेशन है. तो डेफिनेटली एंग्जाइटी है, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन है. तो एंग्जाइटी फ्रस्ट्रेशन था इस रिलेशनशिप में. फुल पावर, सरेंडर टू योर फुल पावर. तो कोई किसी को एक they are feeling trapped in this relationship, and that's why they wanted to claim the independence. So yeah, that is all I have for this reading. uh, we'll see what happens in the another reading. Okay, thank you for watching.